private or unlisted. Then there's also the question that how did you learn about the Canva Creators Program? Hello guys and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can earn money or sell your own designs using Canva. So for this video, actually we're not going to be using Canva but something else that's part of Canva, something called Canva Creators. So it's like TikTok's affiliate program. In this way, when you're using a Canva creator, you can earn passive income by just creating designs where you will earn royalties. So I'll explain how it works as we go through with it. Okay, so first of all, of course, we need to head over here to canva.com/creators, or you can just search over on Google Canva creators and click the first link that pops out there. Of course, it has to be Canva. If it's not, then you don't need to click on that and find Canva instead. So we can see here that a lot of people have been helped or their lives have changed by using Canva creators. And this is really good if you are someone like an artist or a graphic designer. So how do you actually start with this? Let's go here and click on Become a Creator. But first of all, you need to make sure that you have logged into your Canva account. Right now, my account is currently logged in. So if you haven't, it will ask you to log in before you can proceed to this page. So what we need to do now is to choose either of these three that are available here. It's gonna ask us what type of content will you be creating. So let's say I'm someone who's good at creating templates. I'm just gonna click that, and then we click on apply. So as you can see right now, I am a part of a team, but let's say I'm just gonna work on this personally. So it's gonna change the entire thing, because if I just stayed in the team, I don't have the permission to go into Canva creators unless the leader of the team gives me the permission to do so. So let's just go with personal for this one. So let's do the same thing, and then here we have it. Share a URL to your design work. So this is your website. Let's say you have DeviantArt. This is where you can showcase what you're capable of so that the Canva team can review whether you are capable or deserving to be a Canva creator. And then we have also here sharing a URL to 1 to 2 minute video telling us about yourself. So it's a part of this too. So you just add here probably a YouTube link, something that's private or unlisted. Then there's also the question that how did you learn about the Canva Creators Program? So let's say I learned through the ad, and then I'm just gonna say here that I said that I was looking for something to earn. I'm a graphic creator, blah blah blah. Just put your own backstory here. It could be an anime backstory, or it's up to you. Then you need to put here the country of your residence. Once you're done with that, you just hit on apply. So right now I'm not actually going to be applying because I'm not here to become a Canva creator, but I'm just trying to guide you on what you need to do. Once you're done with this, you can head over to apply, and then they will review your application, and then they will get back to you soon, probably via email. And that's it. That is how you can earn money through Canva creators. I may not be there to see your dreams come true, but as long as you follow this tutorial, I'm sure you will, and I believe in you. Good luck on it. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.